Good morning, class. Today we will be starting with a new chapter, that is the first chapter of your mathematics book, that is large numbers. In this video, we will understand the different place value chart, the place value system, and how to write a number name and the vice versa, that is numbers to number name and number names to your standard form. So, without further ado, let's start away. First of all, let's understand the Indian number system, that is your Indian place value chart. Your Indian place value system start with the ones position, then we have the thousand position, then we have the lakh, then we have the crores. These are known as the periods, and within your periods we have the places. Within the ones period, we have ones, tens and hundred places. Similarly, in your thousand period, in Indian number system, we have two places, that is thousand place and 10,000 place. Similarly, in your lakhs period, we have lakhs and 10 lakhs, that is two places. And likewise, in crores period also, we have two places, that is crores and 10 crores. So that means in your Indian place value system, only ones period have three places. The rest have only two places. So let's understand how do we read and write a numeral in number name in your Indian place value system. First, we write the number using commas and we read the numbers using the periods. So let's have a look. For example, here we have mapped a digit in your place value chart. In the ones, tens, hundred column, we have 949. In thousand and 10,000, we have 09. In lakh, 10 lakh, we have 1 and 5. And in crore, we have 6. So, what are we going to do? We will write the number as it is. And counting from the rightmost position, we will be putting our commas. For the writing part, we will put the comma first after the ones period. That means after exactly 3 digits. So after 949, we will put our first comma. The second period is of 1000. That means it will contain 2 digits. So after 09, we will put our another comma. Likewise in lakh also, since we have 2 places, so after 2 digits, we will be placing our comma. So our number will be 6, 51, 90, 949, and it will be read as 6 crores 51 lakh 90,949. Now let's understand how can we write it using the number name. So here also we will be following the steps. Our first step will be to know how many crores are there. If you look at the previous slide carefully, we will see that there are 6 crores. Our step 2 will be to know how many lakhs are there. Since in the previous column we have 51 lakhs, so 51 lakhs are there. Similarly in step 3, how many thousands? 90,000. Step 4, how many hundreds? That is 900. Step 5 is to read the last 2 digits together, which makes the number 49. So now let's see how can we write the number name. For number name, we will be adding all the digits. That means if you look carefully at the previous slide, we will be writing 6 crores 51 lakh 90,949. So our number name is 6 crore 51 lakh 90,949. Isn't it easy? Now let's move forward to the international place value chart. Your international place value chart is a bit different from your Indian place value system. Here, each period will contain 3 places. That means your ones period will contain ones, tens, hundred. Your thousand will contain also ones, tens, hundred. But after this, we will be adding 1,000. So the places will become 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Similarly, in the millions period also, the same procedure will be followed. So, our first place will be 1 million, the second will be 10th millions, and the third will be hundredths million. So, in international place value chart, every period have 3 places, and in Indian place value chart, only the ones period have 3 places, the rest have a column of 2, 2. So now, let's understand how to read and write a number using international place value chart. We read the numbers using commas and we write the numbers using periods. So let's have a look. Here in the slide you can see we have a place value chart where we have written the numbers. So the ones period have 207, the thousand period have 504 and the million column have 6. So how will we write? We will count the digits from the endmost position and after every 3 digits we will place our comma. So the number will be written as 6, 504, 207. Now let's have a look. How do we place it? Please note that we will be placing the commas from the endmost position. That means our arrow will move from ones to the million place. And counting from the endmost, we will be putting our commas. Now, how do we write the number name? For that, we will be needing the standard form. For that, let's make a place value chart. Here, we will be utilizing only the period. Since in the previous slide, we have seen that there were 6,504,207 ones. So the number name will be 6,504,207. That's all. We will not be writing the ones period. Let's have a look at another example. Here we are given the number name and we have to convert it into the standard form or the numeral form. The example is 8,400,307. So what we're going to do? We will be writing 8 under the millions column, 400 under the thousand column and 307 under the ones column. So our number will be 8, 400, 307. Isn't it easy? But please remember, we will be making the period and the number table so that we can convert our number name into numeral form or the standard form. Next, we have number 3,000,843 and we have to write the number name. So for that, what we're going to do, we will place the commas. So counting from the endmost position, let's place the commas. So our standard form will be 3, 000, 840. Since you can have a look at the digit and see that the commas are placed after exactly 3 digits, that means we are talking about the international place value system. So here we will be writing the number name in international place value chart. So our number name will be 3,843. Now let's understand another concept, that is the place value of a number. Now have a look at this chart. In this chart, you can see that the places are given and under the places we have mapped different digits. So if I ask you what is the place value of 8, you will say 800. How did it come? Let's see. Now here it is given that we have to give the place value of 9 in 987-653-91 in both system of numbering. Please note, whenever we are talking about the place value chart or the place value system, like in the previous slide, we always write the place, that is your ones, tens, hundred and the digit also. Since the place value is made up of 2 words, place and value, place is the place value of your number system, that is 1, tens, hundred, and value is the value of the given number. So if I ask you to give me the place value of 6, the place value will be 6, 10, 1000. you will write the number and then you will write the place. So here in the Indian place value system, the place value of 9 will be 9 into tens, or we can call it 9 tens. Similarly, the place value of second 9 will be 9 into 1 crores, or we can say 9 crores. Similarly, in the international place value system, our periods or the commas will be placed after exactly 3 digits. So the place value of first 9 will be 9 into tens, that is your 9 tens. And the place value of second 9 will be 9 into 10 million, or we can say 90 millions. I hope you understood the topic. Till we meet next. Thank you.